Like, guys, just look at this, bro. I'm basically lagging myself because I made the world's laggiest block. Like, I can't even move right now. Look at me. I'm literally trying. Look, I'm pressing jump. Oh my god, why? It's opening random menus. Help me. I'm spamming X. When I met you in the summer. Hot beats down. Oh my god, please. Dude, no. I'm gonna have to ask Joey to put instant load on. That's a good idea. Oh my god, I'm out. I don't even care. I'm out, bro. I'm out. Finally, dude. Suffered in the lag. I'm not gonna push the game anymore, bro. Oh my god, I forgot I have to set to 90. It's gonna be bubble wrapped in purple. The middle part is gonna be nuked in purple. And basically, just in case if someone survives the lag, that I don't want them to in the loading scene. 0.5 again, just to put it in the center, just that way I don't get OCD. And now, here we go. I'm gonna make another one. Oh crap, I just can't do this. Oh my god, yeah. I can't spam it. I'm just gonna save while I can, bro. I don't want to brick the server, bro. Legit, I'm just gonna stick a single button on it and frick the person who presses it. Okay? Just frick them. Like, legit, if you actually press it, because you're a troll, I'm actually gonna just save you them. Sing. Uh-oh! Lag. Da 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 da. Dude, I just stopped time, bro. That's literally a time bomb at this point. You can see I just crashed this entire server. This is how you freeze time. In fact, sometimes Roblox even shuts down the server for maintenance. Like, when I had not this laggy one that only had 300, Roblox, when I partnered with Blocks, Roblox shut down the server. So I bet this one right here can crash any server any day. Oh, go away. But yeah, you get what I'm saying, man. I'm just down. I'm down. Basically, I might get one for this, and no, I still have 300 blocks left. I just lost. I tried to make it down, but it won't let me. Oh crap! Here's the lag. Oh crap! Yeah, I think the server's dead. I just messed up the server. Saw that crash. Yeah, that was the world's best crash, lol. Bye bye. I'm gonna join and say what happened. I'm just gonna say I pushed the game too far. Oh, it's still lagging. Yeah, guys, I don't think this is ever gonna be running. Yeah, look at that. It just crashed me, bro. Let me try again. Yeah, I think I pushed the game to the limits. Yeah, that server's dead meat. Dead meat, I say. Legit, that's 1,000 plastic can crash the game. Dude, look what we've been from me clearing all. So yeah, that's the time bomb. Oh my god. Failed to connect the game. No, wait. Roblox, I'm sorry, please. Let me. Yeah, I pushed the game to its limits. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. Also, I don't recommend building this because you can easily get warned. And remember, I cannot join Joey or Fox 2A. Actually, Joey's in a different server now. But it's only my dust that's still in that server. Look, if you try to join him, it just won't let you in. It'll just kick you. I messed up the game. Congratulations, Aiden.